I upgraded my drill guide. This is the materials that needed to make drill guide. I add cross laser guide for speed and accuration. Cut MDF 18mm to make base for the drill guide. With size 140mm x 140mm. Measure the base cut to place shaft. Use auto punch to mark. Measure the shaft using vernier caliper. I make simple guide drill for adding shaft on the base. Drill the mark made before using simple guide drill to get straight result. Use epoxy glue to install the shaft on the base. Then, use simple guide drill to know if the shaft installed straight with angle 90 degrees. Fill the gap using sawdust. Cut MDF 18mm with size 140mm x 70mm. Place linear bearing on the shaft. Measure MDF cut before using vernier caliper as a template. Use linear bearing as a measure template. Then, use auto punch to mark. Drill the mark using spade bit 19mm. I add two bearings right to the center of MDF. Drill the MDF using spade bit 19mm. I use grinder and speed controller to round the edge of the MDF. Put the linear bearing on the shaft and try to place the MDF into the shaft to know if it's right size. After everything is right, glue the linear bearing using epoxy glue. Then, sander the excess glue. I give sandpaper on the bottom base for the grip. Use sandpaper number 150. Now, the base have traction on the surface. I use keyless chuck 13mm on this drill guide. I give epoxy glue on adapter drill, because it has profile and I needed to fill it to get full cylinder shape. After the glue dry, remove the excess glue. Use drill and sandpaper to get full cylinder shape. Glue the bearing on MDF. Then, remove the excess glue. I make a jig for laser guide. Drill the MDF using spade bit 12mm. Then, I cut MDF using miter saw with angle 15 degrees. Put the laser diode into the jig made from MDF before. Put 2 layers paper tape on the base of the drill guide. Use 3mm drill bit to make guide for the laser. Then, drill the paper tape. Set up the laser to get the right position. After get the right position, I give glue on the jig laser guide. Drill the side of the drill guide for placing the cable. Drill the battery holder, then screw it on the drill guide. Set up the cable laser guide and battery holder. Stop collar deep on the shaft to lock the drill guide position. I measure and mark up and down side of the MDF. I try my drill guide to drill the mark. Turn on the laser guide to set up the point on the mark. After get the right position, turn off the laser guide. Then, drill it. I surprisingly with the result, because it really straight. Made lots of marks on the surface of MDF. I want to know how fast I can drill all the mark. I really like the result. I only made one mistakes. But overall the result is straight.